It's John Davis here at NAB 2026 with Wheatstone, and I'm here to take you through the new VMX Virtual Mixing System. This incorporates our layers virtual system that we've been developing for the past few years, and we've got some really cool stuff to show you this year. So first of all, let's talk about how this all works. There's some hardware components, but it's mostly a software product. So this can be running on our hardware or it can be running on hardware that you provide. It just depends on how you want to do it. We have our VMX Nano, which can run a single console. We have the VMX R, a rack mount server that can run so far up to about 15 different consoles on it. So there's a lot of options here depending on what you're looking to do. And it's all managed through the web, as well as the mixers themselves are web-based. So let's just start with the layers managed system. This is telling me here, these are the health of all of our servers, how much CPU they're running, everything's in the green, everybody's happy. The cool thing about this is updates happen automatically. They're pushed to you through the web, and if you want to apply an update, you just come to this page and do that. You don't have to call us to get software updates. We push the updates to you. This can manage multiple sites across your enterprise. So you can tell you all about the mixers that are here at this one particular station, but if you've got multiple stations, you can manage all of your stations through this browser. And not only that, but you can set this up to send alerts to you through email. Say I have someone's changed a route they shouldn't have changed, or one of the blades fell offline, or a console fell offline, or just I saw this message in the log. This can automatically email multiple people in your station to let you know that, hey, you got to go take a look at something. So it really brings a lot of things that we haven't been able to do before, and really not a lot of people can do in this industry. So this is really important for managing a modern radio or TV station. And this is both a radio and TV product, because we have one of our television consoles, the Strata, a virtual Strata console. Let me log into this. And we log into it, and boom, here is our mixer. We've got a full Strata mixer, all 64 channels here on the web. I can turn channels on and off. All the things you would do on a physical console, you're doing here remotely. Control my masters, my mix minuses, all the things that the Strata does, all on a web page. So this means that you can do remote production, you can control things remotely, and because you can have multiple consoles running on one server, and you can have redundant servers, you've got full hitless failover, something that really is important, that redundancy factor. Also here we've got in the TV console side, we've got the LXE. We've got redundant LXE here. So like right now I've logged into my backup engines. This is on standby. Do you want to go to the backup to the real engine? Yep, here we go. Now I'm logging into the server that's online. And here we are. I'm controlling the console, both of them all staying in sync. And this is a full LXE. There's also a new console joining the family. This is called the VML. And the VML starts with 8 faders. It can go up to 24 faders. And this is a full-fledged audio console with EQ and dynamics built in. If I want to, I can listen to a source. I can come here on the web page, and if I click on this to listen to it, I can monitor it from the web browser, from the computer, wherever I'm logged into. Also, things that you can do here, if I want to route a source, I just go to sources, and I can grab something and drag it over to a fader. You drag over to a fader that's not on, that would be good. You'll notice that there's mix minus buses up here. So there's a mix minus for every fader. There's a talkback for every fader, so you can talk to people out in the field. There's also a talkback going to the studio. So if you've got a talk studio, you need to talk to your people in that studio. You've got the ability to do that. And and this is all again web-based. So the VML, one of the things you can do with the VML is you can get that using our VMX Nano mix engine. So the Nano is a half rack unit. It's got a couple of network connections on the back, one being for the LAN to go see the outside world, and one being for your WheatNet network. And that is your mix engine right there in a half rack unit. And you can run one console up to 24 faders, starting with the base of 8. It's all licensed based upon how many faders you want to use. You can change the number of faders anytime just by adjusting your license. So contact us at Wheatstone to learn all about the VMX platform. It's very powerful, and we're really excited about bringing it to you this year. And we are going to be having this shipping very, very soon. We expect to have these in the field within a matter of weeks. And again, thanks for seeing us at NAB 2026. I'll see you later.